Hello, students. Today I have taken up chapter number 4 from the Diary of Anne Frank of the book First Flight. This chapter is an excerpt from the personal diary of Anne Frank, a 13-year-old German born Jewish girl. This diary was given to her on her 13th birthday, and then from that day onwards, she started writing in her diary the events of her life. It started from 12th June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. The quoted entry in the chapter is one of the few made while she was living a normal life. But when Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany and the first anti Jewish laws were established, the Franks, along with the other four friends, decided to move to Netherlands. As the persecutions of the Jewish population increased in 1942, the family went in some concealed rooms behind a bookcase in the building where Anne's father worked. After 2 years, the group was betrayed and transported to concentration camps. Anne Frank and her sister Margot were eventually transferred to Bergen-Belsen concentration camp, where they died, probably of typhus, in March 1945. Now, here we have the reference of concentration camps. So, the concentration camps were intended as a labor reserve where they were deliberately subject to mass starvation. Most Jews were persecuted in it. The people were confined or detained, usually under harsh conditions and without regard to legal norms of arrest and imprisonment. Anne Frank's father, Otto Frank, was the only survivor of the Frank family, returned to Amsterdam after the war to find that her diary had been saved by his secretary, and later his efforts led to its publication in 1947. It was translated from its original Dutch version and first published in English in 1952 as The Diary of a Young Girl and has since been translated into over 70 languages. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. Her only best friend during that time was her diary. It was an expression of all the major events of her childhood, and she felt that writing a diary would help her get the load off her chest. She even felt that writing a diary was really a strange experience for someone like her, because she had never written anything before. Moreover, she felt that with time, neither she nor anyone else would be interested in the thoughts of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. She also felt that paper had more patience than people. She meant to convey that paper, unlike people, was a quiet listener and did not ask any questions whatsoever. And in addition, paper was absolutely non judgmental and uncritical. This was said by her because one day she felt a bit depressed and she was wondering whether to stay in or to go out. Finally, she stayed in and thought. She felt that she won't let anyone read her diary unless she found a real friend. Anne felt lonely, though she had loving parents and a 16-year-old sister. She also had about 30 people around her she could call friends. But she wanted someone with whom she could share her feelings. She thought of having a good time when she was with friends, but she could not get closer. She admitted it her fault that she could not confide in each other. Since they were not liable to change, she started writing a diary. She wanted the diary to be her friend, so she named it as her friend Kitty.